What is up, everybody? Check out where we're at today. At this random construction site. Believe it or not, there is a little pond back here. I've got a couple bass rods with me and got my little crappie rod, and I don't know. We're gonna see if anything lives back here. It's been kind of a nasty day. It's been storming off and on all day long, so got a little break in the weather, so made a trip out here. Had a couple hours to spare today, so all right, let's see. So I've got a wacky rig, a spinner bait, and of course the MEP spinner. I think I'm gonna start with the spinner bait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sinking in the mud here. This water is up really high. Just make a few casts here and move on. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Come here. Oh, no. No. That is depressing. I think I threw this thing right on that guy's head. Man. I can't believe that. That was a really nice fish, too. I think I just didn't set the hook hard enough. Heartbreaker. That sucks. Just keep fishing until we get another one. Maybe we'll get another chance. Oh, there's one. Oh, no. Came off again. Dude, he freaking smashed it, too. Come on. Let's try the wacky rig. Can't believe I lost another one. That sucks. Wow. That is awesome. That's one of the biggest crappie I've caught in a long time, actually. He's got that cool stripe on the top of his head too. Man, that is a really nice one. Let's let him go. Ooh. All right, guys. Well, the wind started picking up, and it was thundering really bad, so I had to call it quits. I got back to my truck just in time. That's the current situation. So that was a lot of fun to try. I'm still bummed we lost that first bass. That looked like a really nice one, but I'm really happy we caught that big crappie. That was an unexpected surprise, especially on a bigger spinnerbait like that. So I'll definitely be coming back to this spot. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving me a like, and I'll catch you on the next one.